Dear student, today we are going to study about how to insert a table into LibreOffice Writer. That is activity 2.7, insert a table. Okay, then if you want to insert a table to your page, then you want to place the cursor where you want to insert that table. Okay, then now I am going for the end position. Okay, here. Okay, here you can see insert table in the toolbar. Either you can select from here and you can give number of rows and columns. The horizontal lines are rows and vertical lines are columns. Okay, either you can make the use of this or else we can do for table, then insert table. Here also we can give number of rows and column. Now I am given 4 columns and 3 rows. Okay, then click on the insert button. See, the table is displayed here. Now if you want type anything, you can type here. Okay, then if you want to adjust the width, so bring your cursor to the point where 2 columns meet. Now what changes have occurred? The mouse pointer changed into double-ended arrow. Can you see this? Okay, now adjust it by clicking and dragging the mouse. Okay, here also can do like that. Okay, not only the columns but also you can adjust the width of rows by bringing the cursor to the point where 2 rows meet. Okay, likewise see, we can adjust the size of the rows also. Okay, now for example, you want to insert a column just above this for giving headings. Okay, so place the cursor here. Now you can go for table, then insert. You can see many options, that is rows above, rows below, column left, column left. So which type we want to, a row just below that, then first row. Okay, so row is above. See, now a new row created here. Now you want to make this row into one column, which means that these lines are cut for giving a heading. So for that, select the first row and select the merge cell option. For that, go for table. Here you can see merge cell. See, now 4 columns have changed into 1 column by making use of merge cell technique. Okay, now you can select or type the heading here. Okay, then you can adjust the size or increase the size or change the shape or style, etc. Okay, likewise. Okay, likewise we can insert the column also. For that, bring the cursor. For example, now I want to insert a column after the name. So bring the cursor, column name, then go for table, insert, then column right. Okay, see, the column is inserted here. Okay, so now this line come here. For that, select it, go for table, merge cell. Okay, Then to adjust the width, you can make the use of double-ended arrow. Okay. I think you all understood this. If you are having any doubt, you can contact me. You want to export your document into a PDF. Okay, that is activity 2.8, exporting into PDF. For what we are exporting that? For example, this is activity 2 is saved in name activity.odt. That means it is an ODT file. It is a file prepared in the software LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so you know that LibreOffice Writer is only activated in the Ubuntu OS. So if you want to make or send your phone or any other Windows OS computer, you want to convert into PDF file. Otherwise, this ODT file not support in your phone or Windows OS. For that, you can click on file, then you can see here export and export as PDF option. Now you can click on the export option, go for students work 9. Here you can give the name. Okay, exporting. Now click on the save. Okay, now it is saved into PDF. Can you check it? Okay, so go for places and home, document, then students work 9. See exporting dot PDF ready here. This is the PDF file. What are the features for PDF file? We cannot do any modification for further modification in the PDF file. Now you can right click here, then you can copy here and you can connect it to mobile phone or pen drive or anything. Okay, and you can paste it into the phone or pen drive. But this file cannot be portable because this is an ODT file. It is only support in the OS that is having Ubuntu. Okay. I think you all understood about two files, isn't it? This is a PDF file and this is an ODT file. Okay, this is only portable from one device to another device. This can be copied from an Ubuntu computer into another Ubuntu computer, which means another LibreOffice supported computer. Okay, but cannot copy into Android mobile phone or Windows supporting computers. Okay, so dear students, our chapter is over. If you having any doubts, then contact me. Okay, thank you.